Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna have our tutorial about how to save a file on Google Drive. What is Google Drive? So Google Drive is a file storage and synchronized service developed by Google, and this Google Drive allows us user to store files on their servers and synchronize files across devices. It could be your laptop, cell phone, or your desktop, or any other gadgets that may access to Google, and share files like videos, docs, image, spreadsheets, or any other forms. Okay, so how do I access my Google Drive? Well, you can access your Google Drive on the web by heading to the drive.google.com or via free Android apps from the Play Store. Okay, so let's proceed now with our tutorial. So I have here this one. Here is the apps. So we have the Chrome, then the Google, then we have the Maps, then we have the YouTube, then the Drive. Here, this is the Google Drive. If you can see, there is green, yellow, and blue. That's like a triangle. That is our Google Drive. And we have the Play Music, we have the Play Movies, the Duo, Photos, then we have Voice Search, and we have also the Play Store, then Google Tips. So we will be using here the Google Drive. So first we will have to click this icon, this Google Drive, the green and yellow and blue. We have to click or press to open. So how to save? First, you need to create folder. Why there is a need for you to create folder? Because if you will not create folder, then all your works will be mixed up to other works. So in other words, to make it organized, we will have a folder. We will try to check if the account that we are using is ours, meaning the login account is ours, just like this one. There is a circle here. If I will have to click here, I can see all my accounts there. But since I will use that account, then that will be the picture or the image that I will have to stay for my Google Drive. And if you can see, there is a check marks, there is this 3 dots here, then here, this is about the shared and the file. There is a plus here at the lower right. There is a plus sign. So this will be the thing that you need to click. You need to click, and then you need to create folder. Here, create new, then click folder to create folder. Then from there, you can rename. So for this, we will have to write tutorial. There. Tutorial to create Drive. Okay. There. Then we can have it done. Then I think we have here, where is now our folder? So from there, you can see folder, there, the folder that we've created. So that is tutorial to create folder. So we need to click it back. Click. Okay, there's no item inside our folder because we haven't saved it something yet. So to save for that folder, we need to click again this plus sign here at the lower right. Click. Then we need to click in create new, upload. That is the next step. Then we can look for our videos that we want to upload or we want to save on that drive. Here, this one, click the video, then trying to upload on our folder for that drive. Okay, so let us wait to upload that file. Okay, there, it's already uploaded. Now try to add a file that is in JPEG format. JPEG meaning it is a picture or image. So we need to click again the plus sign. Then you are now on create new. Then click upload. Then this is a JPEG file. Then we will have to click there. It is already saved. We are on the create new. Then click upload sign. Then we can have our docs. This one. This is document or Word file. Then click. Then ta-da! It's already uploaded. Okay? So meaning we have already created and we have already saved our file to this folder named tutorial to create drive. So if we try to look at here, this is now our folder. There, this is our folder. If we will have to tap this one, then we can see what is inside our folder. Then if we want to go back for that, this is now our file. So we are now on that drive. So how share our created folder of that particular drive? So if you can see, there is 3 dots here. The vertical 3 dots, the mahiwagang tuldok, is something here, share, add, then link, share off, then copy link, then change color if we want to change color of our folder, then move or add shortcut to drive, and then if we want to delete the whole thing, we can delete, or we can also add it up the folder to home screen. What we're gonna do now is we need to share. Okay, so let's try to go back, open. Then there is again here the mahiwagang tuldok. From there we can see the same instruction. So we will be going to share this one, that one. Now turning on the sharing and link and turn it on. So from there we can now share that link. Okay, the messenger. Then we will have to type there. I will have to type for the purpose of tutorial. Then I will have to paste it here. Then send. From there you can see drive, Google folder. Then if we try to check, then we can see and open the drive. So that's it. It's very simple. I hope you learned from this tutorial, and if you have question, you just comment down below and ask on how to do it, then I really appreciate question for me to answer. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you.